Well, it's Christmas in April. We've got all kinds of parts here in our box, and let's open it up and see what we have. So you should have the box here with the Sunfounder on it. We'll open it up, and here's our little packing. They hope to get 5 stars. We get these out, we'll lay them out and go over all of these. A lot of these things coming on out here. And we've got lots of parts. Okay? Get all these. Well, when you do this, you want to make sure that you do it someplace where, you know, you don't lose all your parts. They go rolling off on the table and everything. I have my checklist here, and I'm going to start going through this a little bit at a time and organize this. I'm going to try and organize it by the connecting devices and then inputs and output devices, so we can get that all laid out here. So I would set the box aside, and the first thing on is the little Arduino, the Sunfounder Uno. Open up the box here, and you'll see the processor board that we'll be using. So I'm going to set that aside. Okay. And then we have our breadboard here. I'm going to mark these off as I go. I've got the breadboard. And this is where we'll be plugging our components in, our jumpers in. And set that up there. Now, next are some jumper wires. Okay, male to female. We have male pins on one end, and we have female pins on the other. Set that aside over here. Okay. There's some more jumper wires, and these we have male pins on one side and male pins on that side. Okay, mark those off. And on the list is a project box. That's what you can use to store all this in. We've got a USB cable. Nice little cable. It'll plug into the Arduino and plug into your USB port. Okay. Now, sort through here, look for some components. Looking for specific components. Alright, I've got a little bag here. Little baggie. It's got, let's see, it's got some transistors in here, some diodes in there. So I'm going to mark off, we've got a diode, we've got a Zener diode, and then there's an NPN transistor and a FET power transistor. They're all marked off on the list there. Okay. Now, I see a couple of items that I can pull out real quick. This device is your joystick. It has 2 analog pots on it, and we'll put a little cap on it, and that'll go together later. And then there's another one somewhere. Here it is. Here's our joystick. We've got 2 of those joysticks for you with their hats. So we want to mark those off on the list. And it's on your list as a joystick PS2. Okay. Now, we've got a package of resistors here that we'll use. Alright, that's another item there. Mark off your resistors. You can go in there and check each of those individually. Okay, now we have 2 250 k ohm potentiometers. Okay, let's set those aside. They're very similar to the joysticks, but we can use those for different purposes. Alright, now, let's see, I see a servo motor here. small little micro servo motor. Put that in the list there. Now we've got a relay module. Okay, I'm going to open this up and pull this out. It's a 4 relay module. We connect up our inputs here. It's inputs to the module. They're outputs from the Arduino to control this module here. Okay, so I'm going to set that right there. Put the bag in the box. Okay. Now we've got another item here. I'm not going to take it out of the plastic right now, but this item right here is the LCD display module. So I'll mark that off on the list. Okay, I'm going to lay these out here so that I can start pulling them out as to what they are as I need them. Well, that's an easy one. Here's a little bag full of LEDs. So you've got red, yellow, and green LEDs, and we'll be using these right off. So I'm going to set those there. You should have 2 green, 8 red, and 2 yellow. Okay, now I'll bring all these parts down here. Okay, get these all set up so that I can find what I'm looking for. Now, next on the list is a passive buzzer and an active buzzer. Here's our active and our passive buzzers. Those are lined up right there. Okay. Now, I see some microphones. We have 2 different types of microphones here. All right. We got one with a very small, another one with a large. We'll put those there. We'll be looking at making hydrophones with those. So one of them is a high sensitive voice sensor, and the other one is a microphone sensor. Now we're getting down to these here. Okay. Now, let's see, I see 2 push buttons. There's a push button, and there's a push button module. Okay. So you'll find that on your list. And there's another one. And there's another one. We've got 4 push button switches. Alright, next item I'm going to pull out is the little photo sensor. It's a small part here, and you can kind of see the kind of the windy pattern that's on the front of the sensor there. Okay, so I'm going to put that one right there. Bring these down, so we'll mark off the photo sensor, the photo resistor sensor. Alright, now we have 2 different temperature sensors here. One of them that has an analog comparator on it, so this has both an analog output and a digital output, and this one here is just an analog output. So these are our temperature sensors. You'll have an analog temperature sensor and a digital temperature sensor. And we have 2 analog Hall sensors. That'll pull these 2 out. Analog Hall sensors, we'll mark those. And we have a digital temperature sensor. One of these is a digital temperature sensor. I'll have to get in that. And another one is the micro touch sensor. Okay. And I already put away one of the switch Hall sensors. And this row here is a row that we can use to put into the proto board and do connections onto. We'll keep this for later. Looking at the list, looks like all the items are there and we're ready to go. One thing I'll do is, I know it's really hard to see in these in this video and identify which each of these all are. You can refer to the photos that are on the web page and get a little bit better item of how to identify each one individually. As we start using these modules, I'll put up a photo for each, and you'll be able to be selective and pull the right one out and be assured that you are using the right one for the job.